just wanted to show you the squiggles I'm putting on the end of this oyster shell. Still not done, but wonder if you guys can see the, I have to find it myself for a sec. Okay. Do you see the ears here? Cat ears, cat eyes. He looks like he's laying down with his tail coming up. Don't know if you can make that out, but he kind of looks like he's guarding the pearl. I thought I'd make that into one of the pearls in the oyster. Can you see him? So the painting is supposed to go this way, so for me to work on it, it goes this way. So I've been adding a little bit of the white and the squiggles here. Next time I would do this really differently. I would take a flat brush or an angle brush and squiggle this in right off the bat, so it gives it that sort of ruffly edge of an oyster shell look and the 3D sort of look to it. I love all these geez, I don't even know how to describe that. Anyway, this look around the center. So I actually want to leave those. I'm going to take a little bit of this stuff out here. I'm going to take a little bit of this edging out here. And same with this stuff I'm going to take out. So the corners kind of go in a little bit on this angle a bit. Like that. And take this bit out here. So a little ways to go on this, and a little more accentuating of the lines to make it look a little more like it's raised. And I might fill this in a little bit with a little bit of a darker stain just to give that some depth. A little depth here. And I might do some depth under what I think looks like a cat, just to sort of make the cat here stand out. I don't know if you can see the cat, but I sure see a cat. That's what I love about pouring, is waiting to see what you see in it after. But I'm not going to talk much. I'll just let you watch, and I'll probably try to edit this afterwards. Thanks. So this part of the video seems to go on for quite a bit. I'm trying to edit out some of the pieces that just seem to go on too long, but I'm new to editing, and I could not get this to double the speed for some reason, or triple, or whatever you can do. Wouldn't give me that option, so feel free to fast forward through this to see things that you want to see. Thank you. At this point I'm just kind of doodling really with the white Posca pen. I'm just trying to get some more definition on the edges and that sort of softer ruffled edging, and I'm trying to make it look um, like those various layers on the edge of a shell, of an oyster shell. Um, so that's really all I'm doing here, taking my time with the white pen, just outlining some of the edges, trying to make it more highlighted, therefore I guess kind of defined. Um, yep, that's all I'm doing is outlining. Here I'm using an old white sock, but I have white rags and socks that I use. I just dip them in the color of paint and then I sort of thin it out, make sort of a stain almost on the tip of my finger with the sock, and I'm just sort of stamping in a little bit of a darker tone to give some depth. And I look around and see where it needs to add a little more color and a little more defining. And this is all I'm doing through the rest of the video, is just kind of finding where I want to add more color. And I start adding some very fine lines of iridescent bronze and some coarse pearl, and I start kind of making it, I just kind of see little spots where I figure I'll put in some pearl sort of shapes, and just having fun with it. somewhere around here my recording stopped recording. So all those little dark circles you see towards the middle of this frame right there, I am going to make those the little pearls eventually, and you'll see those at the end. Okay, so I finished it up. I think I've done as much as I want to do. I add a little further darkness to that upper section there, and I just finished these little pearly looking things. That's really all I wanted to do, is just give that idea. And I think I'm done. Sometimes it's really hard for me to stop. I could just keep doodling forever. But I think this is it. I will call it done. I'll varnish it in a few weeks. And that's that. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process from where it started to where I ended up. Thanks so much for watching.